Hi guys! Today, I'm going to show to you how to hide or unhide your subscriber count. Let's begin! On your YouTube account, click your YouTube logo and select YouTube Studio. Go to your settings found on the left sidebar menu. Click Channel and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down and you will see Subscriber Count. If you uncheck the box and hit Save, this will hide the subscriber count on your channel. If you want to show your subscriber count, check the box and hit Save. For some reason, YouTube doesn't make this a default option on the YouTube app settings. As you can see, we are inside the app and there is no way we can hide or unhide our subscriber count. This is how you can do it. Exit the YouTube app and instead, open up Safari or any web browser. Go to studio.youtube.com and the same process will apply. So that's it for today, guys. Bye!